So starting with NVIDIA, looking at the revenue growth, we see a crazy amount of growth over the past 10 years, 160% growth, a super hyper growth amount from 4.6 billion all the way to 79.7 billion, almost 80 billion right now, looking at the last trailing 12 months. So we have that growth slowing down some in the last 5 years of averaging 17.3%. So still a very high growth environment. That 17.3 is more indicative of a stable company where NVIDIA is. But again, we want to know they had an amazing explosion of revenue growth in 2024.